All right, now let's continue. So first, what I'm gonna do before we close this out, let's add the color also depending on this. Okay, if this is now, that's when we're going to put the color. So let's get this decoration color maybe up here. Final decoration color, decoration color. Let's get it like that. So yeah, so we want to get this. If this is not now, we want to get this. Okay, and then in the else, let's get the primary color. Let's paste that, and then so we need to put the question mark here. So here we are going to get not that, we are going to get primary color dark dot with opacity. Let's get 5 like that. And then now here, let's go our decoration color. We can go ahead and test it. Yep. Okay, that's not nice. And then also let's change this. Okay, let's change this. So this is going to be okay, radius dot circular, and then let's put 20 here. So we have only seen that when we have changed the color. Let's hot reload like that, and then now that we've put 20 there, we have put the color. Let's see how it will look. Yeah, I think 20 is too much. Now let's try 15. I think that's also okay. And then now that we have put that, now we can see that we need to change even this padding. Okay, let's try 5 and then 5 also. Let's hot reload. Okay, and then the height of this container, maybe we need to increase it. Okay, so radius, let's keep it 10. Yeah, now okay, I think now that's better. Yeah, okay, I think that's okay now. But now here we have a problem on this one. So on this one, it needs like more radius on this one. Okay, so I mean more padding. That's what this one needs. So this, because this one looks fine inside here, but this one in here we need more padding. Okay, so because you can see even outside here it's going out of the way. Okay, so what we can do is this radius, we can also set it depending on this. Okay, so let's just do that, because we know that this is a reusable widget. A lot of things need to be checked. If it's that, the radius, we are going to put it as 20. Else we are going to put it, let's Copilot do it. So let's cut it, copy it here and paste it here. Else we are going to put it as 10. Let's hot reload. So now it's not protruding here, but we need to still fix the padding. So meaning now let's just create a different padding up here. Okay, so final, what are we going to call this? This is going to be intrinsic padding. Okay, intrinsic padding. All right, So this padding is going to come here. Now this intrinsic padding is going to come here. Let's paste that. Okay, let's go back and then let's copy this. So really, okay, I'm deleting a lot of things here. All right, let's just create it. I was thinking a final intrinsic. Let's go in intrinsic padding. So let's copy this and then come back here and paste. Okay, let's put a comma. Now let's hot reload. So this one here we are fine. We just need to fix this one, which is this. So this one needs to be just O, okay, and then O we just get 10. All right, let's hot reload. Yeah, we should have something like that. Okay, and then maybe also this color is too much, so we're putting the color, so maybe but anyway, let's live with it. Okay, it looks too much. Okay, we'll have a look how it's going to look this side. Okay, so yeah, I think that's it. Maybe what is too much is the opacity. Let's reduce it. Yeah, it was the opacity. Let's try 2. Okay, let's stick with this one for now. Okay, all right, now let's move on to this side. Okay, so let's see if we try to react here. Okay, it's fine. Now let's move on to this side. Okay, so for that side we need to go to alignment left. Where is that? Alignment alignment left, and then we're going to do the same thing. This position widget, let's cut it. Let's put it here, and then let's comment it. And then what are we changing here? So we have a row, and then we have this padding, and then we have that. Okay, so now what we are doing is we are removing this tag. And then here on this is replying, we know what container to call here, which is a reply message reply preview. So here we are passing not the message reply, we are just passing the message, which is the message. Okay, and then what else? So after this, after these children, we know we should have a row. All right, so this row is just simply going to return that, but we don't need this group. This is group. Okay, so what is it passing, which is more here? Let's remove that. Let's take it back. So what's the error here? Inside this row. Okay, now we don't need a row because it's just one text here. Okay, that was our mistake. Let's go back. So after this, it's not a row for here, it's just a text widget. Let's copy that. Paste it, and then let's uncomment it. Let's remove this child. So it's like that. And then what else? Now this card, we need to wrap it now with a first. Let's wrap it with a column, and then let's change this to a stack. Okay, now we need to do the same here. We wrap this with a padding widget. All right, and then let's create that padding up here. So this is going to be a lowercase, and then here, okay, just like that. Yeah, the same thing that we are doing, and then instead of calling that, we are going to call padding. So what else are we missing now? We are just missing the reaction. So we just need to go, let's close the bottom chart field, even this chart list, and then okay, we save them here. So this was the reaction for the this side, and then after inside the stack widget here, after this padding, we need to paste that. Then so now let's remove this, and then remove this position. Oh no, we need the position widget. Let's just import this. This is going to be a message. Great. So now let's try to hot reload. So we have that set. You can see that we don't have an error, even that same way we are displaying the message, it's like that. And then what else do we need here? So this reaction, you can move it a bit if we want, or we can just leave it there where it is. Okay, yeah, I think let's stay with this. So now you can see that if we wrong place, it's coming with a reaction here. So also if we swipe, the reaction is there. All right, yeah, maybe we can move the reaction maybe inside a bit. So the padding, so this one, we need to change these like the same way we change the others. Okay, so let's see, in the bottom, let's put 10. Okay, here let's put 10, here let's put 10. Let's hot reload. All right, now I think we are fine. Yeah, but maybe this chat bar for this other user, we can change it if we want, because I think it's too bright. But now if I'm going to be changing this all the time, I think we're not going to be finished with this application. Okay, some of these UI changes you guys can just change. Okay, so okay, I think that's it for now. We have just done some few changes in our chat screen here. We have moved the reaction to inside here. We have reused this widget for reply. Okay, yeah, everything else still works the same. I'm gonna stop this video right here. In the next one, okay, we need just a few more tiny fixes here, and then we'll move on to the next part. Okay, thank you guys, and see you in the next video.